everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Skylar. Today's video, I'm doing my everyday makeup look that normally takes around 5 minutes. For some it might take a little longer, but today I'm going to really focus on making it 5 minutes. My co-host is Kitty Face, right there. So the first step in my makeup routine is my facial spray. It's by this brand. I love this stuff. It's new. I'm just trying it out lately. And I've been putting it every day, so I just like this. The next part of my makeup routine is my moisturizer. So I use the Hangover by Too Faced. It's one of my favorites. I've been using it for quite a while now, and normally, because I'm a little crazy, I do like to mix in with my primer and my moisturizer all together. So the primers I use are the matte primer from Too Faced. It's the Primed and Peachy, and then I also use the No Pore Blemma water primer. I love this stuff. I don't really like silicone based products, so this one's more cream texture. Well, that's my moisturizer. This is more of a cream texture like that. And then the other one is more of a water-based. Oh, you barely see that. Like, it's hard to see. I like this stuff. I just rub it in with my fingers like so. I dot it all over my face. I like to put a lot on my eyes because I have a really bad problem with having my eyeshadow staying on my eyelids all day. And if I feel that I need more moisturizer on my face, I will add it. The next part of my routine is using my Anastasia Luminous foundation and my MAC Studio Fix foundation. I do mix them together. I used to be a firm believer on beauty blenders, but lately I've been obsessed with this IT Cosmetic brush, so that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I don't put much foundation on because I've decently clear skin, and I feel like that's how I can keep my clear skin. Areas that I need more work, and then areas I don't really need foundation, I'll just put a very, very light layer so that it doesn't look like I just kind of forgot to put it on there because I still need a little bit of something. I like to put it on my neck because that's where I'm more acne based. After my foundation is when I apply my eyebrows, and so today I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. It's my absolute favorite. I will just go over like that just to kind of make it a little bit less intense. Okay, so after I do my brows, I'd like to put on my Blush Crush ColourPop. Right now I've been loving the color Enamored, so I just put that really simply over my eye. Next thing I apply is my concealer. So I do use a beauty blender for this. This is the Tarte Beauty Blender. I love it. It's one of my favorites. MAC Prep and Prime Spray. The next step in my routine is using my PG Perfect matting, and I'm using my Morphe sponge. I don't really remember what this is called, so if you know what this one's called, go ahead and comment down below, please. While this is baking, it's when I jump back to my mascara. I use the Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I'm very picky with my mascaras. I'm allergic to a lot. Another beauty tip. I'm gonna zoom in for this part, so sorry. Beauty tip. So I've always put my mascara at the bottom so that when I'm like opening my eyes so wide, my top lash isn't getting black mascara on the top when I'm like opening my eyes really wide. So first I clump it like this. I do a really thin layer. Do one more before it dries, so when all the mascara dries on my lash, it dries in this upward. One more. And I just rub in the powder really fast. The next step in my routine is I use this Natural Face by Too Faced. You can obviously tell I use a lot of Too Faced. Sunny Honey, which is that one, and sometimes I'll mix them together, but today I think I'm just gonna go pretty matte. I'm not gonna go so glowy. This one, I don't put a lot of bronzer on just because I don't feel like, even if I did put a lot on, it wouldn't do anything. I just put a little bit so I look a little tan. I also don't really contour my nose. If you want me to do a video of me trying to contour my nose, please, I will. The next part of my routine is I use the NARS Orgasm Blush. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this. I love this stuff. And I use my Wet n Wild P65 brush. And I tap it off like that. I really like super blushy looks, so that's why I like to use this blush. And of course, out of all of the beautiful Anastasia highlighters and James Charles palette and so many different beautiful palettes that I have right now, the Estate Do Me Lit is my favorite. I got it in Ipsy. I really love this stuff. So I put a little bit on my... I like to be super glowy. I just think that like this is like the perfect amount where it's not too sparkly. It's just really just glowy. And then I put a little bit on my nose. Finally, I put on this Tarte. It's the shade Pink lipstick. It looks like this. I really like this one because it's a really light color. It also is like matches like the color of my lip perfectly, so it doesn't even look like I'm wearing lip gloss. To add a little bit of help so that my eyes, so that my makeup stays, I lastly put my MAC Prep and Prime, so I spray that all over my face. This is my everyday look. This is pretty much what I look like at school every day and at work and whatever I'm doing for the day. Yeah, my hair is drying, air curling right now, which is fun. And thank you so much for watching. Go like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that every time I post you know. And go follow me at Skylar with an E. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe and inside. Bye!